In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an easy whip pan transition in Premiere Pro. To get started, I just added 2 clips of my timeline that I'd like to add my transition between. Let's begin by right-clicking inside the project panel and going to New Item Adjustment Layer. Then right-click the adjustment layer and select Speed/Duration. I'm working with 24 FPS footage, so I'm going to set mine to 8 frames. If you're working with 60 FPS footage, set it to around 20. Then position your adjustment layer directly above and in the middle of the cut. It helps zoom into your timeline, and with your adjustment layer selected, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard while using the arrow keys to position it exactly in the middle of the. Then go over to the effects panel and type push in the search box. Drag the push effect between your 2 clips, then select the transition and go up to Effect Controls. Change the duration to match your adjustment layer. So I'm just going to put 8 frames. Also, if you have a hard time placing your post-transition between your clips, change the alignment here to center at cut. Now to add our blur, go back down to the effects panel and type directional blur into the search box. Drag that effect under your adjustment layer. Then in Effect Controls for your adjustment layer, changes the direction to 90. And increase the blur length to 100. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking whip pan transition. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.